sa tuwang local government unit of Hindulman, kundi sa katipuang Hindulmanon. Kaniyang pipila ka mga tao na naghatag o inilang mga achievements. Those who recently passed bar exams sa tuwing 2023 up to May of 2024. Apil na nini ang pipila ka mga Hindulmanon nga naila tungod sa ilahang mga achievements sa national level as well as kung ang naghatag mo sa atuang LGU. We first present this certificate or recognition as well as token to Ma'am Lucy Timba. Laing naghatag o tumog sa tuwang lungsod sa Hindulman. Who recently passed the bar exam, we then present this. We present this recognition to Attorney Christopher Castro Succar.
Sabat? Dah, doon na.
Who recently passed the bar exam. Next, laing naghatag ng tumog sa lungsod sa Hindulman, who also recently passed the bar exam. We recognize, and the entire Hindulman recognize, Attorney Corina Romero Tampos. Do we have family member of the barangay captain of Hinakot will be receiving in behalf of Attorney Corina Tampos. Another recognition is to be given to another lawyer who passed the recently bar exam and a proud Hindulmanon. We present the same recognition to Attorney Doreen Joy Monsendo. Do we have from Pagkatungawan, the BMS of Katungawan, Katungawan Norte? Katungawan Norte, wala? Okay. Anyway, yung wala diha ang recipient next, award. Of course, naka-witness me personally ni Mayor Ben sa iyang gihatag na dumog sa tuwang lungsod when she was awarded in General Santos City as one of the outstanding municipal accountant in the entire Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, our pride to have with us the local government unit of Gindulman, ang naghatag og karbos sa Gindulman. Let's give a big round of applause to Ma'am Consolacion P. De La Peña, CPA, our municipal accountant, awarded as one of the outstanding municipal accountant in the entire country. Congratulations, Ma'am Sisi. Now we present the same recognition sa Sarangata mo sa Tuwang Lungsod. We present this to Crisnico Espinosa Pellegrino. Our next awardee na naghatag ng tumog sa Tuwang Lungsod who received the highest Girl Scout Award, prestigious Girl Scout Award in the entire Philippines. A big round of applause to Maria Teresa Dominica Meloria. Receiving the award is the mother. And of course, we present the last recognition to Police Lieutenant Calvin Clean Hando. If I'm not mistaken, the mother. We would like to request all our, may we request our, all of the state, because we are requesting all our exemplary awardees to join us here on stage. Attorney Christopher Casuso Gang, Attorney Corina Romero Campos, Attorney Doreen Joy Monsendo, Teresa Dominica Meloria, and Police Lieutenant Calvin Klein have come to join us here on stage for our photo opportunity for all our exemplary awardees, together with our elected official awardees and LGU retiree awardees. We will have our one photo opportunity sa tanan natong mga awardees from all category, LGU retirees, elected officials, and exemplary awardees. Please, may we request all of you to join us here. Ang tanan, palihog ko ka. Again, elected awardees, LGU retirees, exemplary awardees. Diyan niyo sa pagsakadali para sa usa ka photo opportunity. Kagawad Bicoy, Magusi,